Meaning of freezing point.
Freezing point.
Freezing point.
Freezing point.
Freezing point. The freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid turns into a solid when cooled. It is the point at which the molecules in the liquid slow down enough to form a crystal structure. The freezing point is specific for each substance and can be affected by external factors such as pressure. For example, the freezing point of water at standard atmospheric pressure is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, water will freeze and turn into ice. Understanding the freezing point of substances is important in fields such as chemistry and physics.